Hi partners and teacher. I am Marlodis Naranjo, an arts teacher in Colegio Parroquial Santa Isabel de Hungría. Actually, I'm teaching in first grade arts, biology, science, math, and Spanish. The communicative approach in language teaching starts from a theory of language as communication. The teacher has two main roles. The first role is to facilitate the communication process between all participants in the classroom and between these participants and the various activities and tasks. The second role is to act as independent participants within the learning teaching growth. In my case, how to teach kids to tell time. Telling time is a tricky business, especially for kids. Step by step for this class. Counting to 60, kids need to able and count to 60 in the correct order. As they write each number, have them recite the number as well. And then, everybody making a clock with your kit. Grab two paper plates and analog clock. Okay? The kids fold the paper plates into halves, place stickers and numbers on the clock, fill on the clock, create pie, slice on the clock, make the clock hands, attach the hands, hold the paper clock next to the analog clock. In conclusion, learning activities are consequently selected according to how well they enter the learning in meaningful and authentic language use, rather than merely mechanical practice of language partners. Teach the general concept of time. General concepts of time are the morning, noon, the evening, and night time. It's very important to promote the development of communicative skills, curiosity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Thank you for your attention.